National Electrical Code, specifically Section 314.15b, addresses grounding and bonding requirements for mechanical connections to enclosures. The code stipulates that mechanical connections to enclosures must be made in a way that secures a good electrical connection. Where rigid metal conduit is threaded into enclosures, the code mandates that the conduit shall be wrenched tight. This ensures a secure and reliable electrical connection. In situations where flexible metal conduit is used, bonding is required between the conduit and the enclosure. This bonding is achieved through fittings that mechanically secure the conduit in a raintight connection. A raintight connection is crucial for preventing water ingress into the electrical system, which could lead to corrosion, short circuits, and other electrical hazards. Electrical continuity between the conduit and fitting should not depend on paint or finishes except as covered in Section 250.112 of the National Electrical Code. Section 250.112 provides specific guidelines on when paint or finishes are permitted for electrical continuity. Bonding between the conduit and the enclosure must be accomplished by a fitting that secures the conduit in a manner that prevents the loosening of the connection. This is to maintain a reliable electrical connection over time, even in the face of vibration or other environmental factors. The fitting used for bonding must be accessible after installation. This accessibility is important for future inspection, maintenance, and repair of the electrical system. Only listed fittings shall be used for this purpose. Listed fittings have been tested and certified by a recognized testing laboratory to meet specific safety and performance standards. Using listed fittings ensures that the electrical system meets the requirements of the National Electrical Code and provides a safe and reliable installation. The requirement for sealing locknuts on the top of the can, as pointed out by the inspector, is related to maintaining a raintight connection, particularly in outdoor settings. While the code doesn't explicitly state that sealing locknuts must be used on both the top and bottom of an enclosure, the intent of the code is to ensure that the entire connection is raintight. In outdoor applications, water can enter the enclosure from above, so sealing locknut on the top is necessary to prevent water from entering the enclosure through the conduit connection. In summary, sealing locknuts are an important component of raintight connections, especially in outdoor settings. They help to prevent water from entering the electrical enclosures, which can lead to corrosion, short circuits, and other electrical hazards. The National Electrical Code requires that all electrical connections be made in a safe and reliable manner, and sealing locknuts are one way to achieve this goal. Always refer to the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and consult with a qualified electrical inspector to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations.